Before explaining the differences between Galileo 66 and Galileo 50, let's highlight their common features. With Galileo ovens, you can cook with gas, wood, and Gas+Wood. Both have CE certified on-body gas system, which can reach to 400 degrees in 30 minutes and maintain this temperature for a long time. Both dome and cooking plate are made of monoblock refractory material. Stainless steel door and chimney do not deform at high temperature. Both come with turning peel, a cinder shovel, and dash brush. Wheeled stand accessory gives mobility to your cooking in the garden. Let's look at the differences between Galileo 66 and Galileo 50. The main difference is their inner diameters. Galileo 66's inner diameter is 66 cm, Galileo 50's inner diameter is 50 cm. With Galileo 66, you can cook 3 bread or 3 pizzas at the same time. With Galileo 50, you can cook 2 pizzas or bread at the same time. Galileo 66 is 95 kg, Galileo 50 is 80 kg. Galileo 66's door is 40 cm to 23 cm, Galileo 50's door is 37 cm to 17 cm. Galileo 66 uses 520 grams of gas per hour, Galileo 50 uses 440 grams of gas per hour. Galileo 66 is designed for terraces and gardens. Galileo 50 is designed to be used on counters and balconies with its small size. Please check galileoovens.com for more information.